Today I'm going to talk about connecting an RYG11 unit to a Crestron system or to an AMX system or RCI system or any computer. Most computers have an R422 port DB9 connector, so I'm going to use this adapter. This goes from DB9 to Cat5. And I'm going to take a Cat5 cable, I'm going to plug it in here, and I'm going to plug the other end of it into the Cat5 jack that's on the RJ11. Okay, now I've got the Cat5 plugged into the RYG11. Now I'm going to take the power and plug it in to the PS422DB9. Now there is also a power connector on the RYG11, so I can power it from either direction, it doesn't matter. So I've got those plugged in. Now I'm going to plug in the DB9 connector into the side of that. Now that's connected to a computer. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using a computer. So it's connected, ready to go. I'm going to type in a command, RLY, all caps, at letter A, and hit the enter key. And you'll see the green light come on. And stay on for several seconds and go off. Then I'm going to type in RLY at capital B, and the yellow light comes on. Now if I type in C, RLY at capital C, both the green and yellow lights come on. If I type in capital RLY at D, hit the enter key, the red light comes on. Now there's also a beeper inside this unit, so I'm going to type in RLY at lowercase p, and the beep comes on. RLY at A, RLY at A, turns on the green light again. Now if I want to shorten the beeper is kind of a long beep. If I send a command right after it, within a second, or whatever time period I want the beeper to be on, if I want the beeper to be on a half a second or a second, I can send a command right after it to turn off the beep. So RLY lowercase p turns on the beep, RLY and any other command will turn off the beep. So now I've connected up an RYG11, now I need to add a wall display. So up here I've got a wall display. Well, I've got only one output jack, but I've got two devices. So I'm going to take this adapter, and this is a KT4XRJ45 adapter. I'm going to plug it in, so I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to plug it into this adapter, and you'll see the green lights come on. That means it's got power. And I'm going to plug in this display into one of the ports. Now I need one more cable. I'm going to plug this cable into another connector on there and connect the other end to the RYG11. So now we've got both the display connected up and the red, yellow, green unit connected. So both devices are connected. So let's operate the display here first. So that command is DSP, all caps, and some number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It shows the number on the display. Let's try another command. DSP A, B, C, D, E, F. So I can put letters or numbers on the display. Now I want to turn on the green light. RLY at A turns on the green light. So the display is on and the red, yellow, green light comes on. Now you'll notice it always goes off after a few seconds. So if you want to keep it on, you got to send a command to it every second or two. Otherwise it'll go off on its own. It goes to a sleep state after so many seconds. So now we've got both of them operating. So RLY at B, turns on the yellow light. I always have to hit the enter key. That last time I forgot to hit the enter key first. So hit the enter key first, and then RLY D to turn on the red light. So I can turn on combinations of lights, or I can turn on any one of the lights. And I can send DSP all caps 1, 2, 3, and it puts 1, 2, 3 on the display. So I can send DSP commands to change this display, or Y commands to change the red, yellow, green units. And a Crestron or AMX or RCI system or any computer can operate any of the Alzatex products using simple commands.